Top best cheap domain hosting. Cheap hosting for web business. Many hosting services throw in the domain name for free and even let you register the domain name as part of the service. By offering free domains for 1 year, these top partners give users real value for money. Here are our top picks. We work hard to offer you valuable and reliable information about all of the products and services we review. In order to provide you with this free service, we use links on our site that provide us with commissions for referring you to the seller's site. We guarantee that this does not influence the material we present, but may influence the positioning on our site, and only supports our efforts to offer you the best and most relevant information possible. Web servers and the Internet. The Internet is nothing more than a large collection of computers attached to a telecommunications network and a set of protocols that establishes the rules for data to be sent and received by them. Most computers are linked to the Internet through a modem that directs traffic to and from a local phone or cable company. An Internet Service Provider, ISP, directs the incoming and outgoing data through a local hub to regional hubs. All the data that makes up a website is located on one or more specialized computers known as servers. Servers can be expensive to purchase and maintain, so companies, known as domain hosts or website hosts, lease server resources to subscribers in return for monthly fees. This allows most anyone to create a website that is available to the public on the World Wide Web, www, which is the collective network of all websites in the world that can be accessed through the Internet. In order for computers to understand each other, universal codes and protocols have been established. One of the most important of these protocols for websites and domain hosting is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. It is this protocol that allows queries to be sent to specific servers so that the websites on those servers can be accessed. To direct a request for access from a client computer to a website server, a system of domain names attached to Internet Protocol, IP, addresses is in operation. The physical location of the server hosting a particular website is embedded in the domain name, which is also known as the Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Domain registrars and website hosts. The domain registrar may be the same company as the domain host, or it may be a totally different company. Most hosting companies will allow you to perform a domain name search and register it there. In fact, if you choose a hosting package first, you are likely to get a free domain name for 1 year. Because the equipment required by registrars and hosts is so similar, most companies engage in both activities. Many companies marketed as registrars offer domain hosting packages to those that use their domain name registration services, and other companies marketed as website hosts offer free or discounted domain name registration for subscribers to their hosting packages. You can find a domain host first or start with a domain search on a registrar. However, if you already have a domain registered, you can subscribe to nearly any other domain hosting service. All you have to do is tell the domain host the names of the servers where the domain name information is stored. Domain hosting packages. Several different packages are available from domain hosting companies. Each package has a different set of features, and some may be more important to you and your website than others. But free domains for 1 year are common, and you shouldn't accept a package which doesn't include this. Following are the most common types of packages. Free hosting. Some hosts offer free service. This service puts several subscribers onto a single server, and the resources of the server are shared between them. Free hosting packages usually have very few features. Shared hosting. Shared hosting can also be a paid subscription service. Fee-based shared hosting packages provide subscribers with more features than free hosts, and service guarantees may be available. Free domain names add a lot of value to these cheap packages. Dedicated hosting. Subscribers who want their data to have the highest level of security and who require all the resources of a server can lease private servers that can be accessed and used only by them. These are the most expensive domain hosting packages, but they provide the most power and flexibility. Understanding which domain hosting package will work best for you requires some research. Every domain host provides different features, and their offered packages and prices vary widely.